Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Honeybook, Quickbooks and Pixieset to see which one is better. Now I have here a list with pros and cons. We're gonna start with Honeybook. So Honeybook is best for managing clients, projects and payments in one place. They have proposals, contracts, invoices, scheduling, and it's great for creatives and service providers. The downside, basic accounting only. Then we have QuickBooks, best for full accounting and bookkeeping. They have income expense tracking, taxes reports, and great for all business types. The downside, no client workflow or creative tools. The last one is Pixieset, which is best for photographers delivering galleries and selling prints. Beautiful image delivery, digital store, optional CRM tools via Studio Manager. The downside, not built for general business and accounting. So basically these are the pros and cons for each one of them. Depending on your needs and your business, you can simply pick one. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.